Guys, I'm with Ma'am.
Eileen Asidao.
So ma'am, question for you. How important is investing in real estate?
I've learned that for 5 years ago. I think it's the most important thing that you will achieve as a broker or
Yes.
as a realtor. Kasi you're selling properties and then you have the experience also investing. Walk the talk.
Then at the same time, lifetime investment ang real estate, ma'am.
Of course, for the family, for my children, of course.
Nag-sales na rin po ba kayo before?
Yes, of course. I've been into many networking already. Yeah, marami. Halos pinasok ko lahat. But we've been into business with my husband, furniture manufacturing, and then we operated transportation.
So your venture is marami talagang sales. But for now, is ang major mo is real estate.
Yes, I'm focused into real estate na.
Ma'am, do you go to college?
Yes, I have a postgraduate course in nursing. I'm master's in nursing.
So ma'am, do you believe in God?
Of course, God is the ultimate everything in this life. I cannot exist without God.
Sa mga nagse-sales and marketing ngayon, lalo na sa mga this generation, ano po yung mga masasabi mo sa kanila?
You have to have perseverance and faith in God. That's number one. If you just work and without faith, I don't think it will bring you to somewhere else.
Since ang Pilipino is kulang sa financial literacy, ano po yung best advice mo sa mga gustong yumaman in this generation?
Alam mo, sa ano pa rin yan expenses. Puro, we have to moderate na lang yung paggagastos kasi hindi mo kontrolado how much you earn, ganyan. Pero yung paggastos mo, ba't yung magsasave ka talaga kahit paano. For the future actually.
Sa tingin mo ma'am, anong venture ang magandang pasukin nila para mas mabilis silang umasenso this generation?
Ang focus kasi is not asking anong maganda It's what you're interested into. Kung anong gusto mong gawin. Siguro yun ang the best. Kasi sabihin mo, ito maganda. Magiging kalat ang utak mo niyan. You have to do what you love.
So ma'am, since marami tayong mga nasa real estate din, ano po yung masasabi or mapapaya mo sa kanila to become the higher or top earner?
You have to do your best and give your best to your client. Kasi your client will not, hindi naman yan everyday may client ka. So you have to alagaan mo sila.
Quality service pa rin talaga ma'am.
Of course.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.